Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. In this video we'll be seeing how to transpose the data frame. Okay, in the last video we have seen how to form a data frame. Okay, and suppose this is the data frame with the columns and rows, okay, for marks and grades. Now if suppose what is transposing, with the help of transposing I can transfer the values of data into columns and columns into rows. Okay, so let us see how to transpose it. So for doing transposing we are simply writing d is a data frame dot t. Okay, this is transposing, and once you press enter, okay, you will see this data, marks and grades. Now just remember, it is not stored in anything, we are just transposing the data frame and we are displaying the values. Okay, marks, grades, then the values, okay, for the grades a minus, b minus and c. So this was about transposing the data frames. Hope to see you in upcoming videos. Thank you.